Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted object from video. This is CapCut tutorial. So let's get started. If you use this application as your video editor, the CapCut a mobile version I'm using in this Android version, you can remove or hide the object from your video. It's very easy. Let's start by tap on your project. So this is my projects I took from library for practice. So I want to remove or I want to hide this unwanted glass. Here you can tap on your video and then make duplicate. As you can see, there are two video. On the first video you can tap it, you can make overlay. Try to search overlay feature, this one. So tap on the overlay video and try to search mask, this one. So you can use circle or rectangle. In this case I use rectangle, and I want to please use this rectangle mask on a blank space like this with the same color, and we cover the glass with this mask. So done, the glass is gone now or covered by mask. And let's tap play the video and done. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.